There's always a little bit of a conundrum with myself. What needs to be said? And why should you say it? And I'm not so sure I need an answer to that from anybody other than myself. I think there's a process that's unfolding within me and continuing that seems to have a valid process that could be shared. That seems to be what this teaching and learning is all about. When you can have a coherent narrative to an actual process that seems to be happening. There's that. There's the idea of Bindu point, a reality point, a Zen point, pure nowness. Time stops, independent of this 3 and 4 dimensional time frame, quantum frame, so to speak, seems to exist. And then what it seems to be, in using other languages, they're just different perspective intelligence, there seems to be a superposition that takes place in consciousness. And that, from that Bindu place of timelessness, the perception of your intelligence determines the future course for you. There's that Bindu point, that timelessness. The eternal now, that. How close can you get to that singularity? The brilliance of that. And the quantum fields of that. The infinite possibilities of that. The expanded mind space beyond. What's the practical utility? For me, I was like, well, what do I love? What brings me happiness? What lets me have access to the neurotransmitters and the endorphins that just by imagining I can go, well, that reminds me I can do this. That's what love for me is. How the quantitative nature of that would be, how focused can my attention be on that which I perceive that I might love. And then I, of course, have to bring that into myself, because that's the perceptive mirror that's being refocused back into that question. Okay?